Cooking is an art, and every artist needs the right tools to create their masterpiece. This Gotham Steel two-piece stainless steel non-stick frying pan set, a perfect blend of functionality, durability, and style. These 10-inch and 11-inch pans promise to revolutionize your kitchen experience by delivering exceptional cooking performance with minimal effort. In this detailed review, we'll explore every facet of these pans, from their unique features to their real-world performance. Whether you're a casual cook or a professional chef, this review will help you determine if this set is the right addition to your culinary arsenal. Key features that set Gotham Steel apart. Number 1. Ceramic non-stick surface for hassle-free cooking. At the heart of these pans lies Gotham Steel's patented Ti-Cerma technology, which combines ultra-slick ceramic with titanium reinforcement. The result? A non-stick surface so effective that food glides off effortlessly. No oil, butter, or seasoning required. Say goodbye to sticky messes, and hello to healthier meals. Number 2. Durable construction that lasts. These pans are crafted from heavy-duty forged stainless steel with a highly conductive aluminum core. This triple-layer construction ensures even heat distribution, eliminates hot spots, and offers excellent heat retention. Despite their robust build, the pans remain lightweight, making them easy to handle. Number 3. Effortless cleanup. The smooth ceramic coating ensures that any residue left behind wipes away with minimal effort. For those who dislike hand washing, the pans are 100% dishwasher safe, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing. Number 4. Induction compatible versatile. The nonstick pan features an induction base compatible with all stovetops and is oven safe for up to 500 degrees. Its versatility is highlighted by its cooking of various foods, such as searing steaks, sautéing vegetables, steaming broccoli, whipping up pancakes, scrambled eggs and omelets, grilling burgers, and so much more. No matter your style or method of cooking, Gotham Steel stainless steel cookware will provide you with a seamless cooking experience. We tested these pans across a variety of recipes to evaluate their performance. Eggs and pancakes. The ceramic coating delivered flawlessly cooked eggs and evenly browned pancakes without sticking. Steaks and burgers achieved a beautiful sear with no need for excess oil or butter. Vegetables retained vibrant colors and perfect texture, showcasing precise temperature control. Even when subjected to high heat, the pans maintained their non-stick integrity and evenly distributed heat across their surfaces. Health and safety first. The Gotham Steel pans are not just about convenience, they're about cooking safely and responsibly. The non-stick coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium, making them an eco-friendly and healthy choice for your family. Versatility for all cooking styles. Whether you're searing, sautéing, grilling, or baking, these pans adapt to your needs. They're compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and are oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This versatility means you can tackle a wide range of recipes, from frittatas to skillet lasagna, all in one pan. Why Gotham Steel pans are worth it? Priced affordably, the Gotham Steel two-piece frying pan set delivers exceptional value for money. Its durable design, advanced non-stick surface, and versatility rival high-end cookware brands at a fraction of the cost. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen tools or starting fresh, these pans are a practical, budget-friendly choice that doesn't compromise on quality. Final thoughts. The Gotham Steel two-piece stainless steel non-stick frying pan set is a game-changer for anyone seeking reliable, hassle-free cookware. Its innovative design, ease of use, and impressive performance make it a must-have for kitchens of all sizes. Whether you're a home cook or a culinary enthusiast, these pans offer a seamless cooking experience that will inspire creativity in every meal. Don't miss out on this incredible addition to your kitchen. Ready to transform your cooking game? Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.